Quiz 17. All right, let's see how we did. Well, CS2O. Well, the first thing you should know is CS is cesium and O is oxide. And cesium, if you look at your periodic table of ions, is a +1. And we have two of them, two of the +1s. Oxide is -2. We have two of the cesiums and one of the oxide. So the name of this compound, CS2O, is called cesium oxide. Cesium oxide. Name the K3N compound. K is potassium and N is nitride. We have three of the potassiums and one of the nitride ions. So let's write that out. We have potassium and we have three of these ions, and then we have one of the nitride ions. So our math equation is going to be +1 + 1 + 1 - 3 equals 0. We have K3N, potassium nitride. Potassium nitride. Remember, nitrogen, when it gets this negative charge and turns into an ion, nitrogen changes its name to nitride. Now, potassium, when it gets that plus charge, its name stayed the same right now, as long as there was only one element in the box. But we'll find out that that changes later. As long as there was only one charge in the box, then we are good to go. So the name stays the same, potassium. But just to give you the heads up, that will not always be the case. So potassium nitride, Li2Se. Lithium selenide, Se is selenide. Lithium selenide. So we need to find that one there. Na is sodium, As is arsenide, so sodium arsenide. Sodium arsenide, right here. Silver, silver sulfide, Ag2S. Ag is silver. Silver sulfide. Learn to name those compounds. So silver sulfide. All right. And again, that's going to be, let's just write that out real quick. Ag is a +1, and we have two of them. And sulfide is a -2, so we have Ag2S, silver sulfide. All right, let's try some of these others. Write the chemical formula for rubidium oxide. Well, rubidium, from your periodic table of ions, rubidium's a +1. And oxide, I'll put that over here, is a -2. So I have a +1 and a -2. Remember, I want to get to 0. So, if I had another one of these rubidiums over here, then I would get a +1 + 1 -2, and that would get me to 0. So that's exactly what we want to do. Rb2O, rubidium oxide, right here. Write the chemical formula for rubidium phosphide. Rubidium, again, is a +1. And now we have phosphide, which is a -3. So I'll put that over here. And so we want to get to 0, +1, and a -3. We have to get to 0. So it looks like I'm going to need two more of these +1s here, two more of these rubidiums, in order for me to get to 0. +1 + 1 + 1 -3 is 0. And now that I have three of those rubidiums, I have to put a 3 here and a P for phosphide. Rubidium phosphide. It's just mathematics. You just need to make sure that you follow the math equation. And just in case you forgot, you have to put the pluses first, followed by the minus. Remember, you learn to add before you subtract, so the pluses always go before the minuses. Okay, that's just a rule of thumb for you. So Rb3P, Rb3P right here. Write the formula for potassium selenide. Potassium is a K+. Remember, memorize those periodic table of ions and remember their charges. And selenide, Se, is a -2. So to get to 0, of course, we need 2 of these +1s. So +1 + 1 -2 is 0, so we're going to get K2Se. K2Se. Write the chemical formula for lithium phosphide. Lithium is a +1 and phosphide is a -3. So I need 3 of these +1 lithium ions and 1 of the phosphide -3 ions to get to 0. So we're going to have 3 lithiums and 1 phosphide, Li3P. So write the chemical formula for silver selenide. Last one, silver selenide. Remember, silver was a +1 and selenide was a -2. So Ag, Se. So we have 2 of these silvers and 1 of these selenides, Ag2Se. Okay, so there we go. Good. I hope that you're building your confidence. Remember, I want you to come back tomorrow. So enjoy your day and keep practicing.